Hi, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
Doing good, thank you.
Can I get a number 3, but I want soft shell instead of hard shell with a Dr. Pepper.
Alright, how's the screen look for you?
Good.
Awesome, 660. I'll see you second window, thank you.
What's going on today, guys? I'm pretty excited today because number 1, I'm doing something I've never done before. I've never done a catch and cook. Not only have I not done it on video, I've never done it ever. So this will be a first for me, a catch and cook out on the ice. That would be pretty cool. So I guess I'm gonna be going for anything I can catch. I don't care what it is. I guess it's gotta have some decent size to it, but I don't care what it is. If I catch it, I'm cooking it and I'm eating that thing. All right, so I just got to the grocery store. I'm gonna run in, I gotta grab some oil, I gotta grab some breading, and we're gonna do this catch and cook, man. Let's do this. Oh, this is the aisle right here. Somewhere. Nice and simple. Get some oil. What else? I need breading. Boom. They make that nice and simple right here. That's the stuff. This is what I use. Andy's. The red stuff. That's the good stuff. Let's go. I'm on my way down to get bait right now. Hang tight, I'll see you when we get on the ice. Oh, here we go, here we go. Here we go. They're back. I'm back. They flew up, but they didn't hit. Huh. Huh? Come on, I got one on me right now. Take it. Take it. Oh, here we go. There's one. Yes, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. They're back on. They are back on. Yes, get back down there as quick as I can. As quick as I can. Right away. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get them while they're down there before they move out. Here we go. Right away. Coming up at it. Right away. Oh, yes. They're on, baby. There's another one. Yes, dude. Yes, man. Watch this. Power slamming them. Just crazy, dude. Once they come, they come. Throw another waxy on there. Boom, get back down there. I don't want to waste no time when they are here. Back down there. See how many I can pull out of this school. Here comes another one. Here comes another one. Oh, here we go. Yup. Damn. I'm an idiot. Oh, he's gonna take it. He's gonna. Oh, I missed. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. There it is. There it is, boys and girls. That's a nice one. Yes, it is. Not wasting any time. Like I said, that school is down there. Nice, dude. There's one. Let's see it. Hey. No, I can't fish. No more fishing. Without further ado, it's time to get to cooking. I'm gonna throw on the GoPro on the chest mount here. I'm gonna cut them up, throw them in the frying pan. Let's do it. My handy dandy plate here. This hefty, heavy duty fisherman's cutter plate we got here. Take that everywhere we go so we can cook fish on the fly. It's gonna too. I'm gonna slice that sucker in half. We're gonna be eating styrofoam perch.
Styrofoam flavored perch all together.
Styrofoam flavored perch. Oh, that is not gonna take long, dude. Not long at all. It is dark in here. You can't see nothing. We're on a styrofoam plate. This is rough. Oh, he's still flopping. This is as fresh as it gets, I'm telling you. These suckers are still flopping. This is gonna be the hard part. Where we get the styrofoam all up in there. Oh, we got us a fillet. A fresh fish fillet. I'm gonna just throw her on the ice there. Keep it all iced. Smells like McDonald's. Except McDonald's don't have fresh perch. Huh? Smells like Fish Donald's up in here. Oh yeah. It's like hurting my eyes, dude. We are smoking it out in here. Woo. Like legit. I gotta get up. Oh my god. This is bad. Evacuate. Holy shit, dude. Smoke just rolling out of this mother. Here, open this window up here. Dude. Oh my gosh, dude. Look at it all.
Have you ever done it before?
Not on that thing. I think that's probably why they made the windows like that. I'm making this as simple as possible, dude. I'm not messing around. You ever had this seasoning?
Yeah, it was at what is that one?
Andy's. Uh-oh.
Whoa, whoa.
Don't do that.
You burn your shaft down, bro.
Yeah.
Your fish is probably already cooked. I think it is. That was fast.
Wow.
Turn that bitch.
Dude. Nice. In the middle of the cooking here, we got one. Hooked up.
We burnt one and we caught one.
We had a failed burnt one here. Whatever. Take one, that was a fail.
Oh, let me see that. Let me see that once.
At least we got more fish. That was way too hot.
Oh.
Let's try this again. That looks much better. That's like how hot it should be.
Told you they might have moved back over there.
Yeah, normally if I'm at home, dude, I got the eggs and the milk out, and I'm dipping it and rolling it like.
In the bag.
I'm just making this real quick and simple.
Now, what were you running on now? Let's see. We're just running. Yep.
Oh, nice. I'm cooking this fish. You guys are still slaying them. Here you go.
Oh, gosh.
Got grease on there.
Thank you, sir.
Don't even need eggs on that one.
Dude, she a steamroll, not that sucker. I wasn't gonna sit there and clean all my fish for you guys because that'd be pretty boring. And man, did we get on them. That was fun. I love when that happens. You get on them like that and you start pounding them back to back. As quick as you can put it down there, man, you're getting another one. While it was definitely a successful catch and cook. If you guys enjoyed my video, please do not forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. And let me know what you think about the catch and cook. More of this, less of this. Stay tuned, guys. Till next time.